Good morning, students. Today I want to explain Unit 1.4. Okay, Unit 1 1.4. All the world is a stage. Okay, written by William Shakespeare. Okay, very important poem and nice poem. Okay, in the poem, all the words a stage. The poet compares the entire world to a stage, and all human beings, here men and women, have been referred to as actors who are enacting their parts. According to the poet, our births and deaths are pre-decided, and each man merely takes on different roles during his lifetime. Here, the 7 stages of his life are termed as 7 acts. Okay, actually written by William Shakespeare, was one of the greatest poet and playwright in English literature. He was born in Stratford upon Avon in England. His famous works include Merchant of Venice, Julius Caesar, and Twelfth Night, along with many others. All the World's a Stage has been taken from his play As You Like It. Now, before starting the poem, warming up session, that also very important, okay, related to this poem, this session. Okay, now see, first question number 1 here given. Pair work. Talk to your friend about all the things related to 7. Okay, 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days, all that. Okay, you write. Now see, pair up with your partner and name those given below, all of the under. First one here given, the 7 wonders of the world. Anyone? 7 wonders of the world. Great Wall of China, it's in China. Okay. The Taj Mahal, it's in India. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, Italy. The Statue of Liberty, where? America. The Eiffel Tower, France. Pyramids of Egypt, it's in Egypt only. Okay. Machu Picchu, Peru. Now see, second question B. The 7 continents, that also you already know, geography students. Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica. Okay. Now next C. The 7 colors of the rainbow. You know, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. Together one word used. Vigor, Vibgyor. That means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay. The 7 notes of the music. Actually, sa re ga ma pa da ni. That's 7 notes of the music. Okay. Actually, see here. Sa means Shadja. Okay. Re means Rishab. Ga means Gandhar. Ma means Madhyam. Pa means Pancham. Da means Daivat. Ni means Nishada. Okay. In classical music. And these are shortened to what short form? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni. Okay. Now, see. The 7 seas of the world. Which? The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, the Caribbean Sea, and one, the Gulf of Mexico. Now see, next question. Life is often compared to many things. Write down 7 things that life can be compared to and justify the comparison. For example, okay. Example 1 given. Life is a keyboard because if you press the right keys, you have typed a good destiny. Okay. If you press the right keys, that means if you follow right path, then you have typed a good destiny. You reach good destiny, that means. Okay. Next, any other? Life is like a seed. It will never grow unless planted. Okay? Life is like an onion. You peel up layer after layer, but sometimes it makes you weep. Life is like an elevator with lots of ups and downs. Elevator means lift. Okay? And any other? Life is a river always flowing. Life is like a flute. It all depends on what? How you play it. Okay? Life is a canvas. You get to choose the colors and paint it the way you like. Okay? Now, see. Next question, see. Question number 3. Match the approximate ages with the stages. Approximate ages with the stages. Okay. Here age group given and stages given. Okay. Birth to 2 years. Anyone? Actually, which age? Babyhood or infancy. Okay. Mewling and puking. Baby is that. Okay. Babyhood and infancy. And second one, 3rd year to 12 years. What? Anyone? Childhood, that is called. Okay. And 13 years to 17 years. What? Teenage or adolescence. Teenage, you all teenagers. Okay. Actually 13 to 19. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. Together called teenage. Okay. You all teenagers. Next, 4th one, 18 years to about 44 years. What? Adulthood. And about 45 years to 60 years. What? Middle age. Okay. And 65 years up to 75 to 80 years. What? Senior citizen or elderly person. Above 80 years. What? Old age or second childhood. Now see. Page number 24. Okay. All the world is a stage. Actually, it's monologue. Okay. Monologue means what? Conversation of one person. Monologue. Okay. Now see. William Shakespeare, born when 1564 and died 1616, was an English poet, playwright and actor, widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language and the world's prominent dramatist. He is often called England's national poet and the Bard of Avon. This poem is taken from his play As You Like It. Okay, actually that scene 2, that book scene 2 and act 7 you see, you will get that. Okay, here he compares the world to a stage where the drama of human life is enacted. Page number 24. All the world is a stage. Okay, now listen. All the world is a stage and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. His acts being 7 ages, at first the infant, mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. Now listen. See, the poet compares the world to a stage. Okay, drama. In stage, we all what? Acting. And we all are actors. Actors or players. Okay, merely players, just players. We are all men and women are just players. Merely means just, only players. Okay, they have their exits and their entrances. Actually here exits means death and entrances means birth. Okay, and who play their respective parts or roles. We also have come to this world to play our part. See, here exits refer to death of people or their departure from this world, and entrances refer to their birth or entry in this world. Okay, so he said they have their exits and their entrances. Okay, exits refer to the death of people or their departure from this world, and entrances refer to their birth or entry in this world. Clear? First three lines. Next line. And one man in his time plays many parts. Okay? One man in his lifetime plays many parts. Okay? 7 stages of his life. Many parts. His acts being 7 ages means 7 parts. 7 role. You have to play 7 role. Now see. Which role first? First role. All men and women just only players, and they have their exits means death and their entrance birth. Okay, and one man in his time plays many parts. Okay, each and every one plays many parts. His acts being 7 ages, 7 parts. It makes 7 parts. Okay, at first the infant mewling and puking in the nurse's arm. See that picture. Okay, first part what? Infant. Okay, first stage in the infant, it depend and helpless. See, okay, mewling means crying, large cry, and puking, omitting milk. Where nurse's arm means helpless, it depend others. Okay, he mews and pukes, crying and omitting milk. That only he do. Who? Infant. Why? Helpless. It depend others. So it's what? Crying. Okay, mewling means crying, puking means omitting milk. In the nurse's arms means what? It depend others. See that picture. It depend others. Can't stand, can't sit, can't eat. Is that clear? Now see here. First line. All the world is a stage. Which figure of speech? Metaphor. Actually metaphor. Okay. The poet indirectly compared the world to the stage. Okay. The poet indirectly compared the world to a stage. And see, second. And all the men and women are merely players. Here also, figure of speech, metaphor. The poet indirectly compares men and women to players of a play. Okay. And alliteration also. The sound of the letter A is repeated for poetic effect. Repetition also, okay, and all the men and women. Here word and also repeated, so repetition also. Okay, is that clear? And see third line. They have their exits and their entrances. Okay, here metaphor. The poet indirectly compares life and death to entrances and exits. Okay, compared life and death, entrances as well as exits. Okay, so which figure of speech? Metaphor. Okay, and also it is alliteration. Alliteration. Okay, the sound of the letter E is repeated. Entrance and exist, E. Okay, letter E repeated, so alliteration also. And one more figure of speech. Which one? Antithesis. Okay, exits and entrances, two opposite words. Okay, two opposite words are used in the same sentence. So figure of speech, antithesis. Is that clear? Antithesis. And one man in his time plays many parts. See here, alliteration. The sound of the letter P is repeated. Okay, so alliteration. and inversion. Okay, figure of speech inversion. Inversion means what? Words are not arranged in proper order. Okay, see here inversion. The order of the words has been changed for poetic effect. The correct order should be what? And one man plays many parts in his time. Correct order. Okay. Now next see. At first the infant see one more line. At first the infant mewling and puking in his nurse's arm. Here figure of speech Vanamata Pia. Figure of speech Vanamata Pia. Here word mewling what represent the sound of the cry of an infant. So figure of speech Vanamata Pia. Okay, is that clear? First 6 lines. See next stage. Now first stage